Ahoy there, everybody! Captain Granite back here again with a new motovlog. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I just had my birthday on the 23rd, but today we're here to talk about the MSF course. Stay tuned.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh yeah!
The MSF course. Oh boy, I've talked about this before. Not to this extent though. I'm gonna tell you why you should take the MSF course. It really boils down to, it's a skill. Motorcycle riding is a skill. And the MSF course teaches you the building blocks to these skills when it comes to starting and stopping, obstacle avoidance, a number of different riding functions where I'd honestly say I've never done a figure 8 in a parking spot since the MSF course. I've never really needed to, but they teach you that. But did you know that if you take the MSF course, you can get your insurance lowered on your motorcycle? It's true. Progressive offers it, I know that, because I get it. I get a discount on my motorcycle insurance because I have taken a safety course. I have only taken the beginner MSF course, and this was like 5-6 years ago plus. I enjoyed it. I did it at the local Harley shop. They put me on a Buell Blast. And was it a blast? No. It was tiny. It was like the step up from a Grom. But that's what was easy to learn on. And that's what really got me to feel my passion for motorcycle riding. And honestly, I'm glad they didn't have me on, like, I think they do them on the street 650s now. I mean, I could do it. I easily could pass an MSF course right now. Another reason why you should take the MSF course: manufacturers offer discounts. Brands such as Kawasaki, Harley Davidson, Honda, they offer discounts for people that have completed the motorcycle safety course. It's food for thought. Now, when I completed the course, I was offered a rental from Harley Davidson to go just take a bike out as soon as I finished the course, and yeah, I really wanted to, but I ended up not doing it. I don't remember why. So probably one of the best things that the MSF course will teach you is the obstacle avoidance and what to do during a quick change of your riding environment, whether it's a car pulling out in front of you, or a dead animal on the road, a live animal on the road, or such. So for beginners, a lot of the times, you know, they go into thought of, oh, you know, just get on the brakes. No. Just no. I mean, if you have anti-lock brakes, most bikes now come with ABS. And what ABS does is allow you to, well, stop on different situations a lot better than just regular standard disc brakes. But anyway, my bike does not have ABS. They did have a cross country that did come with ABS. I didn't get it because, well, it was red in color and I didn't want red. I wanted black and white. I have regular brakes on this, regular disc brakes. I've had to use my brakes a number of times to get out of situations or slow down because of impending doom, but I've also had to steer out of them too, which is what the MSF course will teach you briefly. And I say briefly because the beginning course, it's just meant to get your motorcycle endorsement on your license. That's it. They teach you the very, very basics. It's a 2-day class at most places. Some do 3. Mine was 2. I did mine in a weekend. Another thing you can also get out of the MSF course is confidence. To ride a motorcycle, you need confidence in your abilities. You don't want to go out there with a thought in your head of, you know, I don't feel too good to go out riding today. You know, you're nervous in traffic, you're nervous around other bikers. You shouldn't be out on the road riding. The MSF course will teach you the skills necessary to make it from day-to-day travel, which in turn builds your confidence. And I was reading online regarding, you know, motorcycle safety. The common thought is young riders, young motorcycle riders that have the most accidents on motorcycles. Apparently that's incorrect. I forget what study I saw, but it was like 2016. More than 51% of the crashes that happened was to people over the age of 40. And out of all the crashes, 28% of them that were fatal were due to people not wearing helmets. And 50% of the riders, the people riding on the backs of the bikes with them, died because of lack of helmet, which is just a scary thought, which kind of tells me that helmets are a bit worth it, which is why I'm glad I got a very good DOT approved helmet from Voss, which is right here. You can see it. Sexy, nice black and white, matches my bike perfectly. And you can get yours today at VossHelmetsUSA.com. Use Captain Granite 10 at checkout, you'll receive 10% off. Did I just plug? I just did a plug. Lakes Region Rider made me plug. See? He's back there. You probably can't see him. My wife is here too. Say hi. She didn't say hi, she just waved. I figured I'd tell you guys to, oh, my titties. She grabbed my titties! The really good thing about MSF courses is, yes, there's the beginning class, but they do offer other classes. They do offer beginner 2 at most places I've seen. Beginner 2, intermediate, advanced, and there's some places that will do dirt and track certifications. So there is options out there for you to expand your skill base. I got what I need. I've now been riding for so long that, you know, maybe some of my habits are bad. I'll be the first to admit that. But I like to think that I ride with complete confidence, because I do. But I have the skills base that pretty much anything that gets thrown my way I can handle. You know, knock on wood, I've only had one close call, and I've only dropped the bike once so far. Granted, that was 24 miles into owning this motorcycle when I dropped it, so I don't know if I can count that. It's just I wasn't normally used to the bike. And that's the other thing when it comes to properly having a motorcycle, is you need to have a motorcycle that you are comfortable with. Don't get a bike that you go into the thought process of, hey, I like this bike. Like if you're getting your first bike, and itchy nose, if you get your first bike and you're like, you know, I want a Road King, I love Road King, I'm gonna get it. You know, that's a big bike, it's a heavy bike. And if you think the bike is too heavy for you, it's too heavy for you. You need to have complete confidence in your riding, and you need to go into it being comfortable. So again, I'm not saying, you know what, no matter what, listen to me, go take the MSF course. You are your own person, ride your ride. And that's a saying that I put an asterisk with, because everybody that rides is different. You don't have to go take the course. I'm just saying, of my personal opinion, it helps. And it doesn't hurt. It costs money. It hurts the wallet. But it doesn't hurt to, you know, you're doing something out there that you love, and if you want to do it to your fullest abilities, I mean, yeah, you can keep riding like I do and grow your skill base, but at the same time, you can go and learn proper techniques and really open your motorcycle riding world, because every ride's an adventure. And you know what? You're not delivering a ring to Mordor with hobbits, but you know, you're out riding and you're with people that you know, you care about and want to be safe with, and you knowing and being confident in your abilities and your skills will not only make you not even think about, you know, or question, you won't even question your abilities, and neither will the people with you. Like, I'm riding with Lakes right now. This is the second time I've ridden with him, and honestly, I'm very comfortable in how he rides. I think he's comfortable how I ride. So it's all good. It is all good. So if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, leave a lovely comment. If you're returning to the channel, oh man, you gotta stop showing up. You're all sexy like this. Love it. I mean, my goodness. I mean, I can go doot doot doot, and she goes yoink. Sweet buttered toast my nipples. Careful with my nipples. Oh God. Ow. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day. And until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Later.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah, I am the cream.